Hello students, today we are going to learn Cramer's rule or determinant method of standard 10 maths 1 chapter number 1 linear equations in two variables. In that practice set 1.3 determinant method or Cramer's rule. Determinant method is given by Swiss mathematician Gabriel Cramer. That's why this method is known as Cramer's method or Cramer's rule. The general form of these equations of Cramer's rule are a1x plus b1y is equal to c1. This is equation number 1. And a2x plus b2y is equal to c2. This is equation number 2. Now we can solve some examples based on this Cramer's rule. We have to find out d, dx, dy and values of x and y. Now in this case a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2, these all are real numbers and x and y are our variables in the given equations. Now at the time of d, column of constants c1 and c2 is omitted. At the time of find out the value of dx, column of coefficients of x, that is a1 upon a2 is replaced by c1 upon c2. In dy, coefficients of y, that is b1 and b2 is replaced by c1 c2. Now we can find the values of these d, dx, dy and x and y. Let us see an example of this Cramer's rule. In practice set 1.2, the question is given, question number 3, that is solve the following simultaneous equations by using Cramer's rule. The equation is 3x minus 4y is equal to 10. Suppose this is equation number 1, and second equation is 4x plus 3y is equal to minus 5. These two equations are given, or plus 5. Now from these two equations we can find out the values of a1, a2, b1, b2 and c1, c2. Now value of a1 is 3, b1 is minus 4 and c1 is 10. Similarly, from second equation we can find out the values of a2 is equal to 4, b2 is equal to 3 and c2 is equal to 5. Now put these values in Cramer's rule for find out determinant, that is b. b is equal to, we know, a1, a2, b1, b2, that is. Now put the values of these constants, real numbers. a1 is 3, a2 is 4, b1 minus 4 and b2 is 3. Now by cross multiplication, 3 into 3 minus 4 into 4, that is 3 3s are 9, minus becomes plus, and 4 4s are 16. This 9 plus 16 equal to 25. Therefore value of d is 25. Now we can find value of dx, dy. In dx, coefficients of x is replaced by C1 and C2. C1 C2 and B1 B2. That is, values of C1 C2 are 10 and 5, B1 B2 minus 4 and 3. Similarly, cross multiplication 10 into 3 minus 4 into 5. 10 3s are 30, minus becomes plus, and 4 5s are 20. 30 plus 20 becomes 50. Means value of dx is 50. Now find the value of dy. Dy is, at the time of dy, coefficients of y is replaced by C1 and C2. A1 A2 as it is, replace B1 B2 as C1 C2. A1 A2 are 3 and 4, C1 C2 10 and 5. Now again cross multiplication, 3 into 5 minus 10 into 4. 3 5s are 15, minus 10 4s are 40. 15 minus 40 is minus 25. Now we get d dx dy. Value of d is 25, value of dx is 50, and value of dy is minus 25. Now by Cramer's rule, find the values of our variables, that is x and y. The value of x is equal to dx upon d. That is equal to value of dx, put the value of dx and d here. Dx is equal to 50 upon d, that is 25. 25 1 the 25, 25 2 the 50. Means value of x is 2. Now find second variable y, that is dy upon d. Then we get, put these values dy and d. Dy is equal to minus 25 and d is equal to 25. 25 1 the 25, that is minus 1. Therefore we get the solution of these two equations is x is equal to 2 and y is equal to minus 1. This is the solution of these two simultaneous equations by using Cramer's rule. Now let us listen again carefully. Two equations are given, two linear equations in two variables. Compare these two equations with these two equations, a1x plus b1y is equal to c1 and a2x plus b2y is equal to c2. Then find the values of these real numbers a1, b1, c1 and a2, b2, c2. Then find the value of d by omitting c1 and c2. Then find the value of dx by replacing coefficient of x by c1, c2. Then find the value of dy by replacing coefficients of y as c1, c2. And then by Cramer's rule we can find the values of variables x and y. That is, value of x is equal to dx upon d and y is equal to dy upon d. Means we get solution of these two equations, that is value of x is equal to 2 and value of y is equal to minus 1. Got it all of you? Thank you very much.